Welcome to Playdays Collectibles again from West Covina. Actually, this is City of Industry, and I'm going to Walmart and it's raining. And today is Thursday, January the 31st, 2019. Let's check it out. I'm gonna run because I don't want getting wet and sick. So let's check it out. See what happens in here. Any goodies? Thank you. Alright, let's check it out. My feet are wet. Let's see if we find some goodies today. There it is, no Hot Wheels. No Hot Wheels at all. Well, I guess Walmart's dried up now. I'm gonna go to my backup wall that they usually have. And there's nothing. See right there? They usually have backup Hot Wheels right here. So I guess I'm not lucky in this rainy day. Let's try again tomorrow. So have a good happy hunting, everybody, and adios.